These are the main passenger elevators at the Chongwenmen Hotel in Beijing, China. Unfortunately, the service elevator is modded now since my last video.
电梯上行。2层到了。
I assume it got modernized. That's the day it was installed and when it was modernized. See, these floors are completely locked.
上行。
Oh, you can go to 12. Nice. Okay, I didn't know that.
5层到了。
I thought all the floors are locked. Sorry, I was a little bit nervous when I first began my video. The service elevator used to be an Otis Lexan, much exactly like the one.
12层到了。
Exactly like the one at Guiyu.
电梯下行。
If no one's waiting, I might take for one more ride. I thought all these floors aren't locked off and you can only go up to 2. But 12 is somehow unlocked. I forgot, what year were these modernized again? 2002. So these were modernized in 2002. Okay.
1层到了。
I love that chime.
电梯上行。
It goes quite slow too. If you guys remember, I filmed the service elevator back in 2018. Unfortunately, it's modded.
12层到了。
Let's go back down to 1 and there.
电梯下行。
There's an employee standing right on the entrance, so I'm not going to be filming in the lobby as much. Cool, we got a non-stop ride.
1层到了。
There's that one. And there goes this one. Right, and that's it.